He was a world-renowned business scholar who was listed several times on the list of The Thinkers 50, a prestigious European magazine that lists the world's best business thinkers every 2 years. He died of chronic illness in 2010. His wife revealed a secret about her husband at the memorial service. It was that her husband threw away his lecture notes every semester. Surprised to see the valuable lecture notes in the waste basket, she asked why, and her husband said this: "My students always deserve the best fresh ideas." This story is about C.K. Prahalad, a professor at the Ross School of Business in Michigan, is well known for his core competence theory. The amount of knowledge is increasing at a tremendous rate, and its effectiveness is rapidly declining. The knowledge we learned yesterday may not be valid today. This means that we should no longer be learned people, but we should be learning people. Please reflect on the words of Alain de Botton below, whether you are staying as a learned people. Anyone who isn't embarrassed of who they were last year probably isn't learning enough.